What are you doing, Brian?
You always start your conversations with that.
Every time, yeah.
I'm making a plant pot.
Why?
Put plants in.
Fair enough.
Now, some old scrap wood. My battery's dying.
Suppose we've got to carry it through then.
Oh, yeah. That makes a difference, doesn't it, when it's charged?
Makes a hell of a difference.
Spot on. Oh, well, that's because I've got it on the thing.
Bit technical for a plant pot, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're showing off now, aren't you, levelling up?
I'm going to need your assistance shortly, yes. You don't
My
mind
name's
calling
not
me
short.
Shortly, do you?
No. You beat me to it.
Yeah. I need you to try and lift this for me.
Try, I'm glad you said try. You could have been a gardener.
I could have been.
That's looking alright. I like that. Pretty good. Did you do the bit up there? Yeah. That bit up there. Let's get that bit of lead. I'm going to make a new top for the router table and a new fence. I'm going to take off the melamine that's on the top there at the moment and cut a piece of 18mm ply the right size and obviously route out the hole in the middle, and then once it's fixed down I'm going to get a bit of 6mm MDF which I can glue on top so there'll be no screw holes showing at all. And then I think I'll either polish it or varnish it and make a new fence. So that's another one I'll make a bit better video for with a few more details. Should be interesting.